Today I'm going to be reviewing two buildup removing shampoos and comparing them with Matrix's alternate action. If you're interested in knowing if a drugstore shampoo can replace a salon shampoo for buildup removing, stay tuned. Alternate action from Matrix is popular and has stood the test of time because it is a product that certain people need in a niche market. I have always used buildup removing shampoos because after a while I would always have a very dull, heavy feel to my hair. Even if I washed it twice, it just still never felt clean enough. That's what buildup removing shampoos do. They will clean your hair without stripping it. A lot of different shampoo lines have been introducing buildup removing shampoos, especially the ones that are marketed as black charcoal. And today I'm going to be reviewing two of these shampoos. I'm picking these shampoos because these are shampoos that you can pick up at the drugstore, and they are half the price of alternate action from Matrix. But the question is, are they as good as alternate action? So I'll be trying both shampoos, seeing if I get similar results as I do with alternate action, and if it's good enough to use in place of alternate action. So let's go. The first charcoal clarifying shampoo I'll be using is from Pantene. It is their purifying root wash. On the back it says Pro V Charcoal Purifying Root Wash. When I stopped using buildup removing clarifying shampoos like Matrix's alternate action, I started to buy cheaper shampoos, the ones that you see for 99 cents. I bought those shampoos because those shampoos I figured were of a cheaper quality, and then they'd be more astringent and they would do a deeper clean on my hair. But after going back to finally using a real buildup removing shampoo, I can completely see the difference. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. And I finally have the results that I've been looking for. I would be happy to buy this shampoo, and Pantene is a drugstore shampoo, so it's going to be half the price of alternate action. You do not, under any circumstances, want to use this if you just colored your hair. So if you're looking for something on a budget, definitely consider this one. So guys, a week has passed and it's time to try the second buildup removing shampoo. This one is by Herbal Essences and it's called Detox Black Charcoal. I just got done using the Herbal Essences buildup removing shampoo and I've got the same great results. I definitely think it did a good job of removing the buildup. If I had to pick one, I do like the Pantene one a little bit better, but they basically did the same job. This one has a scent that's more, I think, more for guys. Basically, these both do a great job, and I would be happy to use either one of these as a more affordable buildup removing shampoo. If you used any of these shampoos, tell us about it in the comments below. One of the main uses and reasons why people buy the Matrix alternate action shampoo is for people that swim a lot, and it does a really good job of removing chlorine buildup. I don't know if these two products can replace alternate action for chlorine removal, but for everything else, for your basic buildup of gels, hairsprays, shampoos and conditioners, then these are great affordable alternatives. I'm very happy with the results of this shampoo. My hair feels very clean and shiny. My final thoughts on these shampoos is that they both do a great job, and you can save some money and buy these rather than a salon brand. You can find a lot of these shampoos on Amazon at your drugstore right now, but if they completely discontinue all these product lines, then I will go back to Matrix Alternate Action. These shampoos do a really good job for half the price. So thank you again for joining me. If you find this review helpful in any ways, please hit the like button and subscribe.